Kalimut na siya mag-Bisaya. Aww.
No? I didn't forget Bisaya yet.
You know to Bisaya?
Wait. Just tell me a word in Bisaya. Challenge.
He always says that when he says, sorry na, huwag ka magalit.
Ano cover the speaker bigger? Girl, kaya dita ka madunggan.
Huh?
Ayaw i-cover ang speaker kaya dilita ka madunggan.
Okay, can you hear now?
Can you hear na? Nagbisaya.
How do you say do you hear now at Filipino?
Makadungog na mo.
I forgot.